A student titrates a standard solution of barium hydroxide, BaOH2, with nitric acid, HNO3. 25 centimeters cubed of 0.045 moles per decimeter cubed barium hydroxide are needed to neutralize 23.35 centimeters cubed of HNO3 aqueous. What is the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed of nitric acid? A. 0.0241, B. 0.0482, C. 0.0900, or D. 0.0964. Let's begin this question by writing the equation for this titration. If we start by writing our reagents, barium hydroxide and nitric acid, we would then form barium nitrate, or BaNO3, 2, and water. Next, we need to balance this equation. To balance this equation, we need to write a 2 in front of our nitric acid and a 2 in front of our waters. If we then just take a note of the molar ratio of barium hydroxide to nitric acid, it's a 1:2 molar ratio. So, our next step is to work out the number of moles of barium hydroxide. We can do this using volume and concentration and the equation triangle NVC. So, using our volume and concentration, to work out moles, we do 25 times 10 to the negative 3 because we're converting centimeters cubed into decimeters cubed. Then we multiply this by 0.045 and that gives us an answer of 1.125 times 10 to the negative 3 moles. This is of barium hydroxide. We want to work out nitric acid and the moles of nitric acid, and it's a 1:2 molar ratio, so we need to multiply 1.125 times 10 to the negative 3 by 2. That gives us a value of 2.25 times 10 to the negative 3 moles. Finally, we're asked to work out concentration. We're given the volume of nitric acid used, so using the same equation triangle, we can take the number of moles, 2.25 times 10 to the negative 3, that's the moles of nitric acid, divide this by 23.35 times 10 to the negative 3, again converting centimeters cubed into decimeters cubed. That gives us a concentration value of 0.0964. If we look at the options we've been given in the question, the answer we've calculated in moles per decimeter cubed, well, this matches our option D. So to get the mark for this question, we need to write D in the answer box provided.